Financial success doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent actions can make a big difference. Let's go over 7 effective strategies to improve your finances starting today. First, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every payday. Even small amounts, like 10% of your income, can add up over time. This strategy ensures you save consistently without the temptation to spend first. Second, track your spending habits. Take time to review your expenses regularly and categorize them. This helps you identify where your money is going and spot areas where you can cut back. Cancel subscriptions you don't use and limit impulse purchases to save more. Third, focus on building good credit. Pay your bills on time, avoid maxing out your credit cards, and monitor your credit report for errors. A strong credit score unlocks better loan terms, lower interest rates, and even housing opportunities. Fourth, make retirement a priority. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Contribute to a 401k, IRA, or other retirement accounts. If your employer offers a matching program, contribute enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money. Fifth, diversify your income. Relying on one source of income can be risky. Consider starting a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Additional income streams can accelerate your financial goals. Sixth, protect your financial future. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, life, and property insurance. Emergencies and unforeseen events are part of life, and being prepared ensures they don't derail your progress. Finally, continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is a lifelong skill. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial experts. Staying informed helps you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency, discipline, and a willingness to adapt are the keys to building wealth over time. Start today, no matter where you're at, and take control of your financial future.